everyone, welcome to our channel NicheProducts. Hope you are doing good and safe. Last week we discussed more on the Salesforce learning for freshers, how you can learn and where you can learn. I have explained about which is going to help their career, and it is very pretty much easy on the trailheads and other Salesforce blogs where you can learn on that on your own. So today I'm going to explain in line with Salesforce integration, or you can say, or it's a kind of a digital marketing tool where Mailchimp is an old, very old marketing email marketing tool. So that is being used by many small businesses, and I'm going to explain how and where it can be used, especially the Mailchimp product. So if you see here, the Mailchimp has different products. So you can create a free website with the built-in marketing tools. So if you see here, and there is a new feature that is added is called online stores. You can pretty much launch an online store, and you can start selling your products if you have your own products, including marketing tools. And you can schedule an appointment in your website. If someone customer or some business person wants to schedule an appointment, you can have your appointment scheduling in your website, which in turn gets an email to your phone or mail. So that is one new feature has been added. And domains, you can claim a custom domain uh, that you can have your own brand custom domain, or you can have your MailChimp domain also. That is one thing you can have. And if you see here, there are so many features like CRM you have, and you have a sign up form. And so there are different ways of targeting, and based on the user based, and creative tools like creative assistant is the new features. And there are some other campaigning marketing campaign tools you have. And you have marketing automation. So there is a new feature added for customer journeys, like personalized journeys using conditional logic. And integrations, like you can have integration with Salesforce and other products. And insights and analytics, especially surveys. You can do better surveys using Mailchimp. You can send email marketing using Mailchimp. And these are all different. You can track all those surveys and email marketing using reports. All these things are very good features you have. And as I said, like you can start booking appointment online, and you can buy a domain online. And you can have your business ideas to have your own website, and have your own products sell online. So these are all get your business online. If you see here, market your business by different ways of marketing campaigns you can do. And you can do a better creative content. So when we usually see some kind of mails, right, so we do attract to those mails and then open those, and try to buy those products if we like it also, right. So if you see here, and depending on the data, you can take action. So these are all different ways of products that you have in this marketing tool. And you can connect your Salesforce account to Mailchimp. As I said, like if you have Salesforce integration with Mailchimp, enable permission set. You can create a permission set, and enable permission set for that connecting to Mailchimp. And choose data sync and for data led data creation. Basically, you want to generate leads, and then you want to sync data that are generated in this Mailchimp to your Salesforce application. So basically, you, as I said, like you can have free surveys compared to other free survey tools. So when you want to sell a product, so you not only product, you want to see the service of your, you want to service some customers with a different kind of a service. For suppose you want to build a website, suppose you want to do some construction, so some you want to do some arts and crafts, and you want to do that some kind of skill set you have, you want to check the pulse of the customer by different ways of sending the surveys, right? I mean, so you there are many people use surveys using Google survey and other survey tools they have. And in the same way, MailChimp also has a free MailChimp survey tool, where you can see, if you see here, you can send unlimited surveys. If you see SurveyMonkey, MailChimp, Zoho, Google Forms, Typeform, these are all the survey forms you can have. You can build your own form for your business and send the survey, I mean, survey form. Like if for suppose you sell a product, TV, or some other AC or some other product, you want to know this. So almost 1,000 users have purchased the product, and you want to know the pulse of the customer. And depending on that, you want to modify your the product you have with bad features, pros and cons, which you collect the details, right? So these are all the best tools if you are starting your, I mean, fresh new product, where you have nowhere used by any businesses or any customers so far. Before launching the product, it's always better to know the customer pulse, how this product is going to change your future. So that is why you can build your custom surveys, or to wider audience, for, I mean, smaller audience first, somewhere around 1,000 to 10,000 users. You can send a survey, and after that, later, based on the survey feedback, you can send to more lakhs of users. So that way, I mean, you can do. That's how many people use Google surveys, and even recently started with Zoho surveys and SurveyMonkey. Everyone, many people knows, but Mailchimps and type forms and Zoho service recently started using it. I mean, Mailchimps also, it's been a long time they have been using it. So these are all, as I said, like MailChimp can be integrated with almost most of the CRM tools. And why it can be integrated and why it should be integrated is because, so when during a CRM you'll be having a campaigns, right? I mean, you would be running campaigns for marketing your products and generating the leads and all. But MailChimp is specifically used for generating leads and sending out campaigns, with different strategies and different email marketing tools, all these things, right? I mean, it gives various results. And so when a business initially starts with this, they starts with some free tools, like initially, almost 5 or 10 years back, I mean, there are so many businesses already started campaigning, generating leads using these kind of tools, and they must be using these free tools. And even though they bought Salesforce or Zoho or other high-end CRM products, they might be having the marketing campaigns in that within the existing application, even though they would be using this Mailchimp, because they got used to this marketing tool and email marketing campaigns and all, which generates all the leads and all in this system, and they want to integrate this leads that are generated in this tool to the Salesforce or Zoho or Dynamic CRM and all those things, right? I mean, so the whatever the data that is generated here will be exported to CSV, and then again imported into that respective CRM applications or any. So Mailchimp is almost integrated with more than 25 CRM applications, and not only the CRM, many other tools. It also integrates with LinkedIn and also Facebook and other WordPress, e-commerce websites and all. So to generate leads and to generate email campaigns and all these things. So it's a very niche and very important tool for generating more sales for your business. for the entrepreneurs, small business owners, and all. So it's if you are a developer, also you can start trying using this MailChimp campaigning tools, and try generating some leads and all these things for your business or a personal career perspective. So which definitely helps. Just try to start trying exploring it, and it definitely adds value. Thanks.